This is the stereo zoom microscope. I am just showing you first zooming, and then I can zoom out, and there is a focusing system here. You can focus the parts of the microscope and see all the sections very easily. Now I tell you the parts of the microscope. This is a zoom which has a 0.7x to 4.5x. You see this graduation is there, multiplied by eyepiece 10x. Eyepiece has a eye cup here. Both the eyepieces you take it in and put it inside and lock it. This zooming there, focusing is this point. There is two lights are there. One is on the back for the top light. This one is for the bottom light. You can just reduce it and see that. Now it is top only, or this is only bottom. Now there are two lights available. Now you can use any one as per the requirement. And this one is the adjustable angle of the light is there. You can adjust the angle. There is one focusing, this one is focusing, and this one is for trinocular head. You can use the tube, open it whenever you need it, put it here. There is one cap here for covering this. You can cover this cap, close it also, keep it in the lab. You can use it as a binocular or trinocular both. You can put the camera. Here is a camera. You can put on this and it becomes a digital one. It becomes a digital microscope. This is not a part. This is a trinocular microscope. We have many options in this. Please visit our website and write to us for any more details.